I'm back with another video. We have a lot of new life here on the farm, including chicks and new baby calves. Before we get into them, about 2 videos ago, I had a vote down in the comment section below. You could have chose between 3 different names for naming this cross barrow right here. Well, after looking through the names, Powerhouse was the winner. So this cross barrow got named Powerhouse. Now, this York barrow, in that same video 2 videos ago, my sister named this one a girl's name, not realizing it was a boy. So after I uploaded the video, she decided she wanted to put a boy's name with a boy's pig, which makes sense. So she renamed this white barrow here Brad. I did just feed and took care of all the chores in this barn. I'm now going to go over across the road and feed at the hay barn. If you guys want to see me feed and do chores in the evenings, feel free to watch another video I made called Evening Farm Routine. A few months ago, I made a deal with my pastor, Greg Red, from First Baptist Church, that if we name our firstborn calf after him, which we call him PG for short, Pastor Greg, that he would come out and film a church video. So we named this calf PG, and now our pastor's gonna come out here tonight and film a church video.
Today I'll be showing you my chicks and how I got them and when I got them. So how I got them was this man named he gave me this incubator with some eggs, and we plug it in to keep the eggs warm. And why are there 3 more left? Well, because they are not fertilized. And now I'm going to show you our feed. So here's the feed, and this is what it looks like. We got it from Purina Greensburg Soy Processors. And there's the feed. And here is one of our sweet baby chicks, Lily. She is our little leader. She came first in with the chicks. Here are the others. I can pick one up. Come on, Lily. You need a break, don't you? Hold on. Here. Come here. Here's another one. I'm not naming none of the others because they all look the same. Then we have some gray ones too. I'll get you guys a gray one. This one I think might be one of the gray ones. Oh. And here's one of the gray ones.
What kind of chickens are they?
And they are Orpingtons. And we might have some mixes, I think. And my brother thinks that the black ones are roosters and Lily is a girl, but we don't know. Here is where I put the food. We put some in the pan because then we tried that the first time and we tried to eat it. Here is our water. Then, if you're wondering what this is a heat lamp. It helps so the chicks stay warm.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you liked today's video, please leave a like and comment down below in the comment section. And if you really enjoyed it, please share it with your friends and family on social media. Thanks!